In this video, I'll show you how to generate ultimate AI images for free using powerful AI tools in 2026. All you have to do is check my video description for this site link and log into GitHub site. If it doesn't have an account, then create a new account and scroll down. Select open in collab option. Select connect option. After connected, select this play option over here and select run anyway option. This will start downloading the required files and it will take 10 to 15 minutes. Once you get this running on local URL and running on public URL, the link ends with live. Select the link. And now select the advanced option over here and performance, set this to quality. If you set this to speed, then the image generation will be faster. Output format PNG, image number, make sure it is 2, so the image creation will be faster. Aspect ratio, set this to 1:1. It's perfect for Instagram post. Now go to styles. In search, type hyper and check out this hyper realism and other things default. And now the final thing, you need to type the prompt to generate image. To do this, check my video description for this example image generation prompt. Create a prompt to generate an image of next to off. You can change these words to your own words and just copy the whole prompt. Check my video description for this ChatGPT link. Paste text in here and select this icon. Once the prompt created, under prompt, just copy the text and go back to this site. Paste in type prompt and select the generate option. After image generation done, select the image you like and select this icon to download the image. After the download done, open the image. And that's how you can generate ultimate images using AI tool. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.